Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday all day long. Y'all, it rained last night. I didn't even know. I was like, what the? When did it rain? What? Y'all, man, wait. It's cool this morning. I'm like, God, wait, what the? I ain't gonna never get better if it stay in the weather stay like this. Then force me to go put a jacket on, y'all. Like, I was like, what the? I hope y'all having a great day this morning. I hope y'all got y'all coffee, y'all teas, y'all meditate, y'all prayed. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye. Oh, there go thing one. Where my mama go? Look at my pretty. And I go thing two. Bye. I'll see y'all later.